This goes back a couple of years almost with this property that's been in the news. It's in East Vancouver, a low-rise apartment building that was basically destroyed over the course of a couple of years by fires, ordered demolished. Its last property assessment was set at $19 million. The owner, Fu Diren, decided to challenge that at the Property Assessment Appeal Board by putting together his submissions arguing that his destroyed building was being compared to a income-generating apartment building, and that he should, that the costs he'd had to pay for demolition should be taken off of the assessment. In order to make that argument, he used submissions that included these cases that he said were precedent backing him up. Unfortunately, the precedent, the BC Assessment Authority says, after researching it, it doesn't exist. These are fictitious cases. And so basically, the decision maker looked at this, said, well, this is possibly AI hallucinations, or you knowingly put forward fictitious cases, which would be even worse. And so he's asked now for submissions with regards to costs, because he's obviously allegedly wasted the time of the BC Assessment Authority and of the appeal.
And so what are the possible costs here? Well,
it can be in the hundreds of dollars, because this is a growing problem that we've seen, in other cases where people have been ordered to cover the costs that their opponents have had to pay researching these hallucinations, which are sort of these fictitious cases that chatbots like ChatGPT, AI chatbots put forward sometimes as part of this. And so there's been hundreds of dollars, there's been reprimands, lawyers have been warned about it, but of course with a lot of people self-representing, for monetary reasons, there's a growing spate of this problem that we've found in BC's courts, and I'm talking tribunals from the lowest tribunal to the top court in BC, where these have been found, and judges, decision makers have been warning about it.
Very interesting. A warning not just for those in the court system, but anybody using any of these AI chatbots, to make sure to understand how sourcing works.
If you're going to get ChatGPT or any AI chatbot to do your work, you're responsible for what it puts forward, so you've got to research to make sure that the cases it's putting forward actually exist.